In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code in Canva. Let's get started by opening Canva in your web browser. Head to canva.com and log into your account so your designs save automatically. Once you're in, click the Create a Design button at the top right. You can open any type of design here. Think posters, menus, or business cards, whatever suits what you're making. You can start from a template or a blank canvas. Either way works perfectly. With your design open, look to the left-hand sidebar for the Apps section. Click Apps, then use the search bar to type QR code. When you see the QR code app, click it to open the tool right inside your design. This is Canva's built-in generator, so there's no need to switch tabs or use any external website. You'll now see a URL box. Paste the full link you want people to visit when they scan your QR code. This could be a website, a digital menu link, or a Google form. Anything that starts with HTTP or HTTPS. Take a moment to confirm the link is correct and current, since whatever you enter here is exactly where your visitors will land. Next, click Generate QR Code. Canva will instantly create the code for you and drop it onto your canvas. There's nothing extra you need to configure. The QR code is ready to use as soon as it appears. To adjust the size, click the QR code and drag any of the corner handles to make it larger or smaller while keeping the proportions intact. Place it somewhere clear and easy to find in your layout. For best readability, give it some breathing room around the edges and avoid placing it over busy backgrounds that might reduce contrast. When your design looks the way you want, it's time to download. Go to the top right, click Share, then select Download. Choose the format that fits your use case. PNG is great for sharp digital use, JPG is a smaller file for web sharing, and PDF is often the best choice for high-quality printing. If your design includes multiple pages, you can choose which ones to export. When you're set, click Download, and Canva will prepare the file for you. That's it. You've opened Canva, added a QR code with your link, resized it to fit your layout, and downloaded your final design. You now have a scannable code ready for menus, posters, business cards, and more, all created quickly and cleanly within Canva.